Hello and welcome to the channel Fabrico. Today we're going to sew women's pants Cindy. It's short length knitted trousers with elastic waistband. It features decorative vents along the bottom of the side seams. You can find the link to download this pattern below the video in the description box. To sew these wonderful pants, you need just soft knitted fabrics and elastic band. Let's go to sew. Place the side piece on the pocket bag right sides together and sew it on using an overlocker or serger and press the seam. Secure the pocket along the waist and side edges. Press the finished pockets. Let's go to pants assembling. Overlock or zigzag the seam allowances on the front and back trousers. Press the allowances. Place the front trouser on the back trouser right sides together. Align the notches and sew the side cuts on the overlocker or serger, moving to the vent. Press the seam allowance to the front trouser. Top stitch along the vent on the front side. Place the front trousers on the back trousers right sides together. Align the notches and sew the inner seams on the overlocker or serger. Press the seam allowance to the back trousers. Sew the seat seam and the inner seam using an overlocker or serger and at the same time sew the fly. Press. Top stitch along the front side of the fly. Let's move to the waistband. Press the waistband in half, inside out, stitch it into a ring and press the seam. Cut the elastic band to the required length and stitch into a ring. Insert the elastic in the waistband, pin the waistband along the edge, distribute the elastic evenly in the waistband. Press. Place the waistband and pants right sides together along the waist edge. Pin along the control notches and stitch the waistband in a circle using an overlocker or serger. Press the seam allowance to the trouser side. And finally, pants bottom hem. Press the hem of the bottom. Overlock or zigzag the vent at the bottom of the hem, turn it inside out and stitch. Top stitch at 5 mm, 1/4 of an inch along the bottom allowance of the pants. Top stitch along the bottom of the pants and give the pants a final press.